world has so much more to offer than your everyday routine. Don't make the same mistakes I did. Wake up, child, and make your life unforgettable.
Welcome back to a brand new vlog, guys. You haven't seen me for a couple of weeks. I have actually been busy with other things. It is a tad dark right now. You won't be able to see me, and it's a bit windy, and it's very, very wet as well. Welcome to British weather. Yeah, I'm back in the UK right now. If you didn't know, I did go to Nice and Monaco. I've got a brand new job right now, so it's a bit hard to record on these new shifts that I'm on. But next Friday, I am going to California. This wind, man. I will be going to California next Friday. Thank God for this, because it's nice and sunny out in California right now, and it's horrible weather here. But yeah, basically, yeah, I'm going out to California for my birthday when I'm out there. So we're just going to chill and have some fun. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to run the clips from when I went to Nice and Monaco, and just hope and pray that yeah. Okay, so here's the clip from a nice, sunny and warm Nice and Monaco while I get all the rain off this lens. Jesus Christ.
So basically, I am at Gatwick Airport, just over there.
Gatwick!
Right, and I left work at midnight, and I am now at Gatwick, going to Nice in France. And this lovely woman is actually incredible. If you ever want a cab, she's called Vicky, and she's from Faversham.
Starlight at Faversham.
Starlight at Faversham, and literally,
I'll take you anywhere.
She will take you anywhere. But yeah, I'm now off to Nice, so enjoy literally all the Snapchats that come out from there.
So welcome back to a brand new video. As you can see, I'm not in the UK right now. So I've traveled to Nice, and then from Nice I've gone to Monaco. And I'm at the moment I'm in Monaco, as you can see behind me, from this beautiful view. I'm filming on the brand new iPhone 11 as well, the Max Pro, so this should be all in 4K, beautiful and glorious. But yeah, literally I'm in Monaco at the Grand Prix circuit on the port of Monaco, and this is incredible. Like, I actually fall in love with this place. It's beautiful weather, 24 degrees, whereas at home it's like 8 degrees. So I kind of like the hot weather. Hot weather is better than the cold weather at the moment, and this is what it's all about. I said it in all my videos, from New York to Los Angeles, literally live your life to the best, live your life to the max full. Even if you don't have any money, literally just find somehow of getting out of the country, and explore, because this is what it's all about, literally exploring. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave this picture with you, which is a cruise ship in the background. Just there is the cruise ship. And yeah, this wild sunny day, look at that, look at the sun. Shining bright, no clouds in the sky. But yeah, and you've got the mountain range in the background. Like that, yeah, literally all the mountain ranges in the background. It's actually incredible. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this little video clip here, guys, and hopefully fingers crossed, I'll be doing some more vlogging on the new iPhone 11 Max Pro. Let's see what happens. I'll catch you guys later. So welcome back to another part of this vlog. I haven't really filmed much while I have been here in Nice, but basically I've only been here for 3 days. It's my last day here, and basically, yeah, this is the end of it. As you can see in the background, that's the sunset right there. Maybe just like darker. There we go. That's the sunset over the ocean. But yeah, literally Nice, you've been incredible. And now it's the countdown to America. 27 days as we stand. So maybe one day we'll come back out here. It's actually pretty beautiful. But yeah, I don't know what this video is going to be like. It's going to be a bit of a random mixed match of things, and you know, I'm going to try and get some more video clips before I go home. Like I said, I'm going to the airport now, so literally I just want you to enjoy this view with me, because literally not many people get to do this, where I get to travel the world, see different countries, go to some places that many people can't go, and it's just an incredible place to go. Like that in general is mental, and I'm so happy to be here. So guys, if you did like this video, I'm sure you did. It's gonna be a mixed match of clips, but you know, a video is a video at the end of the day. I haven't uploaded in about 3 months now, so, and I've been traveling a lot and doing other stuff with work, so a video is a video at this day and age. I'm going to try and record some bits and pieces for you as we stand, and then basically I shall catch you in 27 days when we go to California. I actually can't wait. Going back to California is literally going back home for me, so I can't wait. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I shall catch you in the next video.
Step out of my comfort zone and made a venture my new reality. I want to experience the unknown, something new, something remarkable, I thought. I want to just do it. Time spent and lessons learned. I continue to surround myself with the right people for me. It's human nature wanting to explore. I want to climb mountains and free myself from all the weight I carry. Because each glimpse of freedom is worth so much more than any pen in my pocket. I want to create unforgettable moments, experience with the people that mean the most. Moments that turn into memories and never forgotten. I love to create things like this, or that. I want to be creative in my kind of way.
So what did you think of the Nice and Monaco clips? I actually loved it out in Nice and Monaco. It was amazing. Yeah, now I'm back into hurricane season in the UK, as you can probably tell from the wind right now. It's a bit bearable. Yeah, so like I said, next Friday I'll be going out to California, flying out there for a week, and then technically coming back to this place until next year. So California will be my last ever holiday. Yeah, I don't want it to be my last holiday really, but it's just what happens, isn't it? Like, you can't afford a holiday every day of the year. Technically I have had a holiday every month this year, but it's been like, what, New York in January, Cyprus in May, Nice and Monaco in October, should we say, or September, and then yeah, Los Angeles in November. So basically one every couple of months I've had a holiday now, and yeah, I'm kind of enjoying it. traveling is what I want to do, and I want to bring you guys on the trip with me. Obviously, it's not something that I would miss out on. I want memories to last forever. So I started off this YouTube thing about 3 years ago, and I've gone to many places in the world. Tenerife, Cyprus, New York and LA, just to name a few. This video was all about me showing you Nice and Monaco, and I want to chuck in some pictures of when we climbed the building last night in London. Like I say, I go to California next Friday. You'll see all those videos on YouTube anyway, when they come out. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, I'll basically catch you when I'm out of the country, because this weather is atrocious and I don't like it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. You can't, there we go, you can see me now. There's a white light. There's just a little bonus clip, right? So as soon as I put the camera down, after finishing the vlog that you've just seen, literally the heavens have opened. This UK weather cannot get any worse. There's wind, there's rain, it's like a monsoon, and I can't wait to get out of this place. I do not want this weather in the UK, hence why I try and stay off grid, which would be not in the UK. I try so hard to stay out of the UK as much as possible, just because of this weather. It is absolutely ridiculous. This weather sucks and I hate it. Like, literally all week, for an entire week, it just rained one day, and when it rains for an entire week here in the UK, literally it puts a downer on everything every day. So yeah, the quicker I'm out of this place, the better. So, and just to let you guys know, it is Saturday night right now, so yeah, it's a bit busy out here. Okay, that's the end of this little bonus clip anyway. It's like 2-3 minutes long, so yeah, thanks for watching.